Hello, students. Before we begin, we were just waiting on Professor Dumbledore. He had to go run an errand. I think he should apparate back soon. There he is. Hi, Professor.
Hello, students. I am the headmaster at Hogwarts, and I'm proud to introduce you to our magnificent school. I hope you all enjoyed the train ride here, and maybe had a chocolate frog with my collectible card inside. I believe you should all be aware of our 142 staircases here at Hogwarts, and it's important to note they all lead to different places on different days. I know I'm the last stop on your tour of the castle, and hopefully Filch has taken you to the tallest tower where your astronomy classes will be held, and also to the dungeons where you will attend your potions classes. Even I do not know all of this castle's secrets, so be careful when wandering through the halls. Many ghosts live here with whom you will become friends. Oh, also, the professors and I will give and take away points from your house, so always be on your best behavior. If you want to be a successful witch or wizard, use the tools at your disposal here at Hogwarts. Take advantage of the wonderful library. Use the room of requirement when you need special help. And of course, don't forget the magic of the Career Studio, where career mentors and exploration specialists are prefects that will help you along your career journey. In fact, let me introduce you to a couple, Andrew Hare and Truly Wright.
Thanks, Professor. As Dumbledore said, I and Truly are exploration specialists, otherwise known as Hufflepuff prefects. Our job at the Career Studio is to help students discover themselves, what major they would like to do, and what careers they could go into. You can think of us like a sorting hat who doesn't choose for you, but we deliberate with you about what your future could look like and what matches are best for you. I'll send it over to Truly in the herbology classroom.
Yes, hello students and welcome to Hogwarts. I want to explain that in addition to what Andrew said, we as exploration specialists here at Hogwarts help you discover what clubs you can join that have to do with your interests. Also, within the Career Studio, you will find career mentors who are like us, but they focus on preparing you for jobs and internships and interviews. So come on over, make an appointment with us anytime you feel free. It's at careers.byu.edu.
And don't forget, whether it's Gringotts or you want to be a guard at Azkaban, the words are, in my not so humble opinion, our most inexhaustible source of magic. You fail to recognize that it matters not what someone is born, but what they grow to be. Now Filch will lead you to your house common rooms. Take note of the password needed to get into your common room. You may want to scribble this down. The password is Caput Dragonis. Can you say that with me? Caput Dragonis. 1 year Gryffindor's password as Caput Dragonis was very difficult for the first years to remember, but you all look like very bright students to me. Leave your things, and I will see you soon in the Great Hall for the start of our term feast. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy your next class. Happy Halloween.